Hi there, Ate Bakikay. Hello. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you all the best and good health. Thank you for being a friend of mine. Kahit may kli lang ang pagkakakilala natin, we're all that close. I'll see you on your birthday celebration. Thank you. Happy birthday again. I love you.
Good day, everyone! Hello in everything. Okay. Happy birthday, Inay Bakekay. I wish all the best for you and good health always. And I know naman na you have a good love life. O, diba? Oh, wala naman akong iba pang sasabihin sa'yo, kundi yun lang naman po. Always good health and happy and stay young. Okay, Mami. Happy birthday. I love you. Bye.
Hi, Sissy ko, Bakikay. Happy birthday! On behalf of the TRL group, we would like to greet you happy birthday. And alam mo, kahit hindi tayo laging nagkikita, alam mo, andyan lang ako lagi para sa'yo. I'm just a call away. I love you. I love you.
Hi, Bakit? Hello. Magandang umaga, tanghali, o kung anumang oras na may ere ito. Pero alam ko gabi. Magandang gabi. Yan. Happy birthday, Bakit. At saka naway matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And I'm sure matutupad yan. Dahil isa kang masipag, masino. At saka mapagbigay, matulungin na tao. And hope maraming pang years to come, especially good health, love life. Alam kong happy ka. Be happy and enjoy life. Yun. At saka thank you for the friendship. Thank you sa pagmamahal mo din, sa care mo. Tuwing magkikita tayo, good vibes lang. Pero mas marami yung kadramahan. Thank you, Bakit, sa tiwala. Ganon din naman ako sa'yo. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, iti-treasure ko yan kahit nasa Pinas na tayo. Andito lang naman ako. And alam kong unti-unti mo nang natutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Especially dito sa ikaw na talaga. Yun, natutuwa naman ako sa mga achievements mo. And I'm happy na naging kaibigan kita. At bilang kaibigan mo, ito masasabi ko sa isa kang huwaran. Oo. Dahil nakita ko din yung yung tatag mo, yung pagmamahal mo. Hindi lang sa mga anak mo, anak-anakan mo. Well, sa mga kaibigan mo din, yun. Thank you, Bakit. And alam kong happy ka, especially sa love life. Love life? Yun. Happy family naman. And more birthdays to come. Congratulations. Yun. Alam ko ang dami mo pang project. I'm happy for you. I love you, friendship. Thank you so much. Mom, happy birthday!
Hi. Today is a special day to one of the most wonderful person I've met here in Star Maker. And that is Mami Bakikay. Mami Bakikay, happy birthday. I wish you all the best for your birthday. And I'm so blessed and thankful that I've met you here, and I want to let you know that we'll continue the legacy of TRL, and I want to let you know that we love you and we always miss you. And I hope we could share more memories together. Stay strong, stay happy, and I wish that you get well soon as well. I heard that you're sick. So, yeah, enjoy the celebration of your birthday. Happy birthday, and I love you so much. Bye, me.
Hi, Jowa! Happy birthday sa nag-iisang bakikay ng buhay ko. I miss you so much. I love you, you know that. Maski hindi man tayo nagkakasama sa mga nakaraang araw, alam mo na lagi ka na sa puso ko. We love you so much. Thank you so much for everything, for being so nice, for being pretty like me. And kapal lang ng mukha ko, nakikipretty lang ako sa'yo. But anyway, alam mo na nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Isang WhatsApp lang, isang PM lang, nandito na si Boss Bully, ang nag-iisang bully ng TRL. Ayan, I love you and enjoy your day. Alam ko nga alagaan ka mabuti ng Auto, pero nandito pa rin ang TRL para sa'yo, lalong-lalo na ako at ang core team. We love you so much and enjoy your day. May you have more blessings to come, both in life, career, health, and love life. Yun. You deserve all the best things in the world kasi napakabait mo at mapagbigay mo at mapagmahal. Stay as pretty and stay as nice as you are. Japan, just always pray at night. Ayun, roses are red, violets are blue. When I flush the toilet, I remember some of them, not you. I love you, bye! Happy birthday! Mwah!
Hey, Mami Bakika, happy birthday. Butas pa pala yung t-shirt ko. Well, anyway, this is your very special day, so I hope na surprise ka. And I hope you're happy with everything that's happening around you. At hindi naman kasi talaga ako mahilig mag-video and all. But anyway, whatever will happen, has happened, and will soon to happen in your life. Always remember na, yun, andito lang naman kami. Core team, andito lang ang TRL para sa'yo. Yan lang naman talaga eh. And I hope you enjoy your birthday. At maraming birthdays to come pa para sa'yo. And of course, last but not the least, I wish that you will have all the success and the happiness that you want in life. And of course, yung goals mo matupad, you know, before you turn 50. Charot! I think na naabot na naman, di ba? Konting tiyaga, konting nilaga. At siguradong may makukuha pa ang kaligayahan. Ayun na nga. So, happy birthday, Mami Bakikay. And as long as may SM, even with or without SM, we're gonna be here for you. And just enjoy your special day. Happy birthday!